everybody, welcome to VW Live. Today we are headed to the, what do you call it, rejuvenated, the new beginnings.
We're heading to the bug-in.
They're going to the bug-in. They're bringing the bug-in back. We're going to the Xtreme Raceway in Ferris, Texas. While we're not straight liners, drag racers, we are swap meters.
That's right.
So we're here to, we're gonna go swapping.
Yep.
That's the plan, right?
Oh yeah. We've got a swap meet, a car show, and a drag race all in one. We're heading about 180 miles north to Dallas, Texas, Ferris, Texas, and we're bringing you with us.
Ferris or Paris?
Ferris.
Ferris, all right. Bueller, anyone. All right, we're going up there and we're camping out. So we're gonna do, man, we're putting it all, like, it's gonna be like jam-packed. Like,
yeah.
Right here, all this activity. It's gonna be insane.
It's gonna be insane.
Are y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this thing.
Let's go.
VW Live, woo! There it is. 4.93, baby. That's our fastest so far.
What's happening?
Tommy just ran an 8.66. I have no idea what it means, but we're so proud of him, baby. He probably doesn't want to talk to us, but we're happy to see him.
Test and tune.
Let's go.
Look good for your first pass.
Yeah, dude, it took off like a rocket.
Well,
I was pretty excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
everything feel good?
So far, so good. We haven't broke anything yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually we can't even make it here before we break something. So.
That smile on his face was golden. I mean, it is golden now we're Matt Jackson, but that smile on Tommy's face right now, that's why you do stuff like this. And seeing your buddies, man, it's awesome.
So I get up there and I did a little burnout, and then I went to go lead pretty hard. I was going to try to give it a little bit more than I did the first time, and first gear just went kaboom. I have no idea, but it was not happy. So I ended up chasing after him in second gear, but it was super noisy in there, and now it won't go into gear. It has no first gear. I wouldn't say VW life is Tommy's life, and Tommy's life is just one problem after the other, seems like. So, I'm out.
Good day so far. We made it up here to the Xtreme Motor Speedway, Raceway, Speedway Park.
They're grudge racing. Tomorrow's a big day, and there's a little bit of weather coming.
Yeah, so we're getting ready to hunker down because a big front's coming through. We're gonna ride the storm out. Riding the storm out. A little REO Speedwagon for you. It's been a good day. We got to watch a lot of the Volkswagens doing some test and tunes today too. And so they'll be racing tomorrow for the big bucks. Yep. And we're gonna be swapping tomorrow, making the big bucks. And listen to that.
All right.
Here it comes.
See you in the morning.
Yeah, baby.
Go. 3, 2, 1.
That's good. Set the brake.
All right, Gary. It's Sunday morning, and something is going up on this pole.
Yep, it's time to bring up the old TJK flag.
Yes, people. Good morning. We slept through the night.
We did, and the races.
The races were loud.
Oh, and the $1 beer announcement at like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, drag racers like to stay up late
and drink beer for $1
and gamble.
And gamble and play craps.
So we're gonna set up the pole. We've got the swap meet mostly set up.
Yeah, we're just fighting a little bit of drizzle right now.
Yeah, we got a little bit of drizzle. The rain wasn't as bad as we expected last night, the storms. So we are at the swap meet.
Any questions on this?
How's the swap meet going?
Crazy, Matt Jackson. It's the first show we've had in a year and like 11, 13 months.
Yep, look at this.
It's crazy, man.
All right, I'm gonna go walk them around the swap meet real quick. We'll do an up and down, and then we'll come back.
Good luck, Holmes.
Martin, what are you selling? Junk. He's got posters. He's got stickers. He's got light boxes. These are cool. so that kind of gives you an idea of the swap meet. It's still early. This guy has transmissions and full long blocks and complete motors for sale.
So if you can't get a hold of one, you have to come to 20 help.
All right, everybody, here we are at the rejuvenated, recreated bug-in with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Clint Cox. Clint, how's it going so far, buddy?
Man, pretty good. It took a long time for everybody to get in the gate. Like 2 hours, I think. We had people backed up across the highway over the bridge.
What a great problem to have, though, right?
I mean, it's not a terrible thing. And
Yes.
with the weather we had, I'm impressed.
Whatever you're doing the right thing because your anti-rain dance is holding off. So
Right.
I'm
I mean,
proud of
I
you.
tried to stay positive. I had so many messages. Man, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. I'm like, no, y'all quit talking about
Right.
rain. It's fine. We're good. We're good.
So give me the Reader's Digest version of how you put this together, buddy.
So we started with the 2 races that we did last year, and then we kind of wanted to see if that would take off because we knew, you know, the swap meters, the car show guys, they'll go places.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It's the drag racing that we needed to bring back. Once we brought that back, we knew we were able to do it, and then with some help from Josh Hatton, he took the car show side of it.
Okay.
And then we just let you guys kind of handle
The
your own
meet
swap
guys.
meet thing. So.
Yeah, swap meet guys are pretty kind of self-contained.
There's your area and go handle it. So,
have at it, boys.
so and then just promoting.
What are your
it.
goals? I mean, do you have goal like you want X amount of cars, X amount of people coming in? Do you have anything like that?
Kind of. I mean, I wanted to see at least 200 show cars. I don't know where we're at.
Okay.
And for the first one back,
Right.
I mean, I knew there'd be a lot of interest. I just didn't know how it would do, especially with the whole COVID thing and all that.
Yep.
People are still a little bit freaked out about it. So just to have everybody here together was kind of what we wanted.
Right.
And then when people see it, so Dean from Hot VWs is here. He's really excited about shooting it to kind of help promote
Get everything
what
going.
we're doing.
That's right. Or do you plan on doing another one?
Definitely.
So it's going to be kind
Absolutely.
of like on the March calendar.
What we would
you think?
like
Is that
to
what's
do
planned, or?
is spring and fall. We really would like to do 2 a year.
Okay.
And then maybe blend in like a series
Okay.
of drag racing
Right.
throughout the year.
The best thing is like we're opening up the Volkswagen community. This is an event that I don't remember the last time we had a bug in us. It's been 20 years, by a long time. It's a famous name here in Texas, having a bug in, and I mean, you just look at the people today, and this is the weather has just been like terrible.
Crap.
Yeah, they said it's just gonna be terrible, and I think it's kind of lifting a little bit, so it's gonna be great.
Yeah,
we'll get cars on the track here
Absolutely.
in a few minutes.
The track will be ready in probably about an hour.
Okay.
And we're gonna be running.
That's what it's all about. We'll hear race cars going. So Clint, can't tell you how much we appreciate you. You know how much work this is.
Yeah, I know
how much work
Y'all
this
know
is.
how much work it is.
But it's what it's all about, man, and thank you so much.
Well, and it's
brother.
getting everybody to come out, so it's not just me. I mean, I can only do so much. It's getting everybody to show up, and that's the hard part.
Yep.
So if everybody shows up, I mean,
roll out the balls and let it happen.
That's right.
All right, brother. Thank you so
yes,
much for
sir.
making it
Thanks
happen,
for
man.
coming.
Hold on, Clint.
All right.
Are you gonna win today?
Hell yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
Two Pete. He's going for
Wait,
the
no, time out. The guy putting on the show wins. I might call foul on him.
third time in a row.
So I'm going for 3. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, we're gonna.
So-
There's some shenanigans, so we'll see how that goes.
So over here, you guys have all these parts. What's your names?
Aiden, Keely.
And you guys came from California? In your bus?
Yes.
With all these parts?
Yes.
That's awesome. Welcome to Texas. Have you sold much stuff yet?
Yeah, probably 5 or 6.
5 or 6 things? Awesome. Well, good luck today.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right, so Martin and I are over here on the show side. We're gonna give a walk around.
Look at this thing. It's called the Mega Cab.
It's the homemade mega cab.
It's changed many hands in that area
Yes.
over the past 2 years.
A long lineage of owners. Okay, now we've got some cool Beetles. Over here we've got some Jettas. Here is
It's Nando's.
a pink one.
Yep.
That one's cool.
Look at all the cabbies.
Oh yeah, look at that. To give you an idea, these are all, there's 3 rows and they go all the way over there. This one is from Brazil, but tell me about this
changed the
car,
seats.
Martin. Tell me about this car.
This is the 2018 Harvest Beetle, the Dougie Fresh one.
Yeah.
He changed the seats. He put Pro Cars in it. Changed steering wheel.
These are the wheels we put on it.
He did some pinstriping over there, and then he added the racks and the bumpers. 'Cause we had period right bumpers.
Yeah, we had this car completely painted. It was purple, remember?
Red burgundy.
Burgundy, purple.
Dude, it looks fucking good. That paint held up good.
Harvest Beetle 2017.
Buggies with a 70s graphics with Keystone wheels. They're like Pontiac wheels or something like that.
Dude, this is fast. You like buggies.
Oh yeah. I want one just like this.
Kind of gives you an idea of the car show.
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
It's a decent amount of cars. First show of the year.
All right, they're having the driver's meeting.
In the same car, all I can ask is that you just be safe.
The driver's meeting is over. They're drying off the track, and I think it's time to start racing. Now we're gonna watch Clint. I'm gonna give you it from 3 angles. Let's see what he can do. A 950? Good?
The clutch is still slipping. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh, okay. So how are things going?
Well, they're going pretty good. We've sold quite a few items today, and I think people have had a good chance to come out and get stuff, and it's a little bit of a lull while the drag cars are going. Everybody's enjoying that, so hopefully there'll be another little rush here shortly. They still have an intermission on the drag cars at some point. So
yeah, we were just talking. The sun finally came out, but
I know, man.
Quite a turnout.
It's so nice. It's been a good day today. We got a little breeze now. It's just wonderful. It's just wonderful.
What's up, Matt Jackson? Yo, we on that VW Life.
how are we doing today?
Yo, I think there's a car coming.
Okay.
I gotta go look at this 55 single cab over here.
All right, let's go look at it. Hey, John. Nice looking 61.
Yeah.
I like that sticker. What year is this?
It's a 55 single cab.
55. So this is probably the oldest one here, huh?
No, there's a 52 bus behind you. A single cab, yeah. It's one of the earliest I've ever seen. And it's rocking what Daddy Martin has the Cosmics, but I like to call them the Cosmos. But the cool thing about single cabs is they not much changes from year to year.
Yeah, maybe just the headlight, the little turn signals. All right, Gary, we're out here, and here's the racetrack.
Yes, we are. We're waiting for race cars to come. I've learned a big thing about racing: attrition.
Yes.
So if I went out there in Kennedy, 40 horsepower, and just shifted, I might win.
You just have to survive.
It's a survival of the fittest.
It's late in the afternoon, and you know we can't show you every race and show you every show car, but
right,
we gave you a little taste today.
It has been just, first of all, what a great shout out to Clint Cox for putting this on, just having the wherewithal to say, hey, it's time to bring this back here. The guys at Xtreme Raceway Park, what an amazing facility. Just absolutely beautiful.
They're happy to have us.
Yeah, and this place, I mean, folks, it's concrete, the pits. It's concrete where the car show is. I mean, and the swap meet's not in the mud. It's nice caliche rock. It's perfect.
Yep.
And it's just a beautiful facilities, and everybody's been very friendly, and it's just great to have everybody out. It's springtime in Texas, and people are glad to be out and about, and we've had a good, fun swap.
Yep.
And it's the best part I like about a swap is, hey man, I'm looking for this, and I go, I got that for you.
Yep.
That to me is what a swap meet's for. I mean, yeah, I'm making a little side money on the side, but the best thing is like, I'm looking for this, and like, hey, here you go. So
yeah, and every time you sold something, I'd ask, hey, well, what are you putting it on? And one guy bought the turbo, and they always tell you.
Yeah, so you hear good stories and stuff like that. So it's been that's been a good part of it today too, Matt Jackson. And just thank you guys for joining us today. We're gonna start wrapping up here pretty soon.
Yeah, we've got to wrap up. We're gonna shut down the swap, and then we've got about a 5-hour trip south.
Yeah, road trip south, but I was looking at that wind. It's not quite a headwind, not quite a tailwind.
Yeah,
but,
the wind will be on our side.
Yeah, man. A little bit, but man, it's just look at this. Yes. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy.
Yeah.
Thank y'all.